Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 5, the way the world looks, on page number 52. Now children, in this chapter we are going to study different views of an object. What are the different views of object children? There is top view, front view, side view and back view. Now children, first we will see top view. For this we are going to have an interesting story of Gappu's air journey. What happened, children? Gappu was a brave little mouse. One day, he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. The balloon went up and touched the roof. What happened, children? This gas balloon went up and touched the roof. Gappu was excited. He got an idea. What he did next day, when the children went to school, Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon and went up. Now, children, from here he could see the blades of the fan. Now, children, draw how the fan looks from below. The fan looks like this from below. Now, children, Gappu looked down. He could see the bed, the chair. See, this is bed, the chair, one table with books on it, and other table with bottle, jugs, fruit, etc. Now, children, Gappu is thinking from here that Chinky is looking for cheese but can't even see that it is kept on the top of the jug. Now, here is somewhere Chinky, children, and the Gappu is saying that why Chinky is not able to see the cheese. Now, children, think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug but Chinky could not. Yes, because Gappu is seeing from the top side and Chinky is here seeing from the downside. Just then what happened? A strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. Now the balloon flew up and Gappu started going up in the sky. As he looked down, he could see his house. Now children, Gappu is up in the sky and see children what he is thinking, that when I am around my house, I find it very big, but from the top it is looking so small. How is that? Why children? Because he is going far and far away. Now children, as he went higher, he could see the things around his house. He saw the park, the Gurudwara, the railway line, a sweet shop, and a Suhasini's house with a big water tank on its roof. Now, children, even he saw that who is there on the railway track. Oh, it is a fat cat Monty. Now, children, but from the top, the fat cat is looking like a big white mouse. He even saw Gurudwara and a sweet shop. Now, children, this is the homework for you. Imagine how your classroom looks from above. Try to draw it and mark the benches, blackboard, doors, windows, etc. Now, children, the balloon went up and up and up. Gappu kept wondering how big the world is. Now, he could see the lots of houses, streets, roads, and buses. Children, he is saying that train is looking like a long box from the top, and even the buses are looking so small. They are car and buses are just looking like toys, and people are looking like ants. Even when we go up in the air in aeroplane, children, we find the houses like toys, cars and buses appears like toys, and we see the people like ants. Now children, suddenly what happened? There was a loud sound. Fat! The balloon burst and started falling down and down. Now children, as Gappu was coming down and down, he started looking things bigger and bigger. Dhup! Gappu fell on the railway track. He ran to save himself from the cruel Montu, who ran after Gappu and the other rats on the railway track. Now, children, when Gappu saw the railway track from above, it looked like this. This is the top view of the railway track, children. But when he fell on the track, the railway line looked like this. Oh, things look so different when you look at them from the top and from the side. This is the side view of the railway track, children. This is the side view. Okay, so he's saying that the things look so different from the top view and from the side. Now, children, look at these pictures and discuss why things look wider and big at this end but narrow and smaller at the other end. Now, children, if you look at this picture, you find that this is big and wide. But if you look at the far at this end, you will see that it is narrow and smaller. Why this is happening, children? Because the side which is nearer looks wider and the side which is farther to us looks narrow and smaller. This is very nearer to us, therefore it looks wider and bigger. But if you look at the other end, it is very farther, so we look it looks smaller and narrower. Now, children, match two views of the same pose. Now, children, this is the top view of the girl in yoga pose. Only one of the photos below is the correct match of the same yoga pose. Mark it. This is the correct match for this yoga pose. Now, children, there are two different views of the same bowl. Which is this view, children? Top view. Which is this view? Side view. And which is this view? Upside down view. Now, children, in which photos are the bowls upside down? In the second photo. Now, children, here you have to draw lines to match the side view with the top view of a pipe and a funnel. Now, children, top view of the funnel is like this, and this is the side view of the funnel. So, we will match this funnel to funnel. And now, children, this is the side view of the pipe, and this is the top view of the pipe. So, we will match these two. Now, children, we will stop here. In the next video, we will see the park behind Gappu's house.